Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm very excited to show you this video. I'm showing you a tool called Question Generator. This is not a tool that can help you generate questions, but instead this is an AI copywriter with SEO capabilities built into it. And the most fascinating thing about it is it helps you to speed up your entire workflow process. If you're an agency or you've got multiple websites that you need to generate articles every single month, then this tool is something you don't want to miss out. So let's look at their website. Normally, I like to see how many people are actually visiting this website. So I'm using similar webs. There aren't any current traffics right there now, but if we look at their website, they've got 3,000 plus active users, probably 5 million long tail keywords has been found. Ranking position 20,000 plus, satisfaction 99%. These are claimed by the website only. So I do like to see the about us page all the time. And if we click on it, it actually brings us to Square MX. So I've actually talked to the CEO of Question Generator. His name is Greg. And what he told me is Square MX is a company based in Spain. That's their headquarters. And they are like an IT service provider that helps clients to write, I think it's blog and like SEO content optimizer, SEO content optimize as their sort of like as their gig. And I think they've sort of built out this tool and they're now offering it to the public. I hope this is right. So if Greg, if you're watching this video, if I've said anything wrong, please let me know. So I have tried looking them up on Facebook, but I've not found anything on Question Generator, whether it's a Facebook page or a Facebook group. But I did manage to find them on LinkedIn. So Question Generator, that's their company logo. Again, I spoke with Greg before, so he's the one that's putting out the content for their LinkedIn page. So you can see it's probably that this post was last month. So they've got promotions from time to time. As you can see, I think some of their main language is probably in French. So French, English, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese. I think that's where they are based in the European space. So that's why these are the main languages for Question Generator. So it looks like Question Generator is also on YouTube, and currently they've got 47 subscribers. If we click on videos, so they do put out content from time to time. And I think some of them are in English. Some of them, I believe they're in French. So they are putting in maybe like tutorials as well. So that's a really good thing because you always want these tools to have a social media presence so that they won't be like too quiet or they're not really interacting with customers and potential customers. And I did mention to Craig before that it's probably worth setting up some sort of community if there is resources available, because I think the more people gather to talk about Question Generator or sharing tips and tricks, or if Greg does like some sort of like routine monthly webinar showing them what's the best ways to make use of their platform, then I think that would be a really good idea. So let's go back to the website. So let's look at some of their features. They've got tools that can help you look for SEO traffics, put in keywords, and it will actually search for Google, Microsoft Bing, Amazon, as well as YouTube. I did double check with Greg, the CEO. They are using GPT-3. Believe it's the Da Vinci. That's the highest quality model that they have. So even a free account on Question Generator, they will give you 10 free keywords every month to track, which is pretty good if you just want to test this out. Now, I do want to touch on the pricing first because currently Question Generator is offering a 50% discount on their annual plan. And you can come in here, choose the currency you want. So in my case, I'm going to choose USD. I think by default, they will select Euro. So going back to USD, there are 4 tiers. So there's a free plan, but then they don't give you any credits for generating articles. They'll give you 10 content idea searches. So that's something like Answer the Public, similar feature. So for those who are looking at question generator, are probably those are who want to run their own websites, create blog articles, or if you're doing some sort of agencies, this plan all the way to Fly gives you 75 articles per month. And then you can go up to 200 searches per month. And if you're just starting out, maybe 25 articles per month is enough, then the run plan is probably the most popular, the most appropriate. You can connect up to 2 domains. And then for the ride plan, you can connect up to 10 domains. The Fly plan can connect up to 40 domains. If you're planning to pick up question generator, then don't miss out the 50% discount. I think it's going to end on the 31st of January. So coming into the dashboard, it's really simple to use. There's 2 main functions in this on their website. So it's either finding new content ideas and then bringing those new content ideas into an article. So here there are tips of how to use question generator with the keyword search. We're going to put in a keyword, and I'll put in best AI text to video software. You can select your language. So currently it allows English, French, German, Italian, and Portuguese. And I think the reason why is I think the founder has a French accent when I had my conversation with him. So I'm just guessing the team is from Europe. So these are some of the common languages in Europe. So I'll choose English here. Country, I'll select United States in this case. And I'll hit search. We'll select our language. You can choose English, French, German, Italian, Portuguese. I think the creator, the company, it's based in Europe, in Spain. So these are the common languages there. So for now, I'll choose United States for this example. And we'll hit search. So as it starts crawling for the keywords, you'll see it's gonna start loading up. We'll be right back. All right, I think that took less than 2 minutes, and we've got 114 ideas found. So let's just go through what's available here. So we've got 22 questions. What's the best whiskeys for beginners? I think that's a really good one. And the reason why they've got this favorite toggle, so that because you're looking at this keyword and you want to come back to this keyword place to write your articles in the future. So find the ones that you think is the best or is the most relevant for your audience, and then put them in favorite, and then you can consider generating an article on question generator. So these are all the questions. So the sources are from Google. These ones are from Microsoft Bing. What you can do is include or exclude certain search engines. So let's say you don't want anything from Amazon, or you don't want anything from YouTube. So we'll just focus on these 2 search engines. Then you can make that change. So we've got the position saying it's number 1, number 4, number 4. PAA stands for people also ask. So what I can do is look at the related keywords and see which one I do like. So best whiskey for beginner. So I can favorite this, jump back to favorites. And what I can do is click generate articles. So here it's going to show me how many credits I have. So to create one single article is going to cost you 1 credit. So let's see, I can go up to 5 subtitles. So subtitle is like the H2s in the other wording. And then do you want table of content? Yes, I do. I think that's a pretty good feature. And to include any auto-selected images for subtitles. I do want to have images for each subtitle. And source of images, you can choose where you have these images. So I believe they're using Pixabay for these free stock image. And also, they can also do AI generated images. I think the engine is called DALL-E. It's also from OpenAI. But this is going to cost you 1 credit per article. So I would rather have my credits used for writing a blog instead of generating an image, because you don't know how many times you need to generate the image to get to the point that it's good for you. And since you have like 5 H2s here, and it's going to cost you like 5 credits to generate the images, so I will stick with the free gallery. So this is going to be like a keyword for you to enter. So it helps the content generator to find a related keyword for your image. So here we're going to choose whiskey. So tone of voice, I think previously this did not exist. I think this is a new feature update. So you can choose serious, professional, narrative, persuasive. There's a lot of different choices. So I'm going to choose friendly. And do I want to embed a YouTube video? If you have your own YouTube video, you can embed one. But in this example, I'm going to try it, and I'm going to hit the AI content generation. So once I've clicked on it, I'm going to click this button, view my article. So you can see currently it's processing. So while it is being processed, let's look at some of the other features on Question Generator. So while we wait, let's go to the API and buy credits on the top right corner. And one of the beauty of Question Generator is to have the WordPress plugin. So if your blog is on WordPress, then this is something you'll probably want to install. So it allows you to generate the content on Question Generator, and then it gets synchronized to your WordPress site. At the same time, if you have existing content on WordPress, it's going to pull those blog articles into the Question Generator as well. So it can allow you to optimize your content, to optimize your blog page through their platform. So it's something really cool. So the article is done. It is ready. So let's have a look. On the first image, there is a whiskey. And let's see. So this was searched through Pixabay, I believe. So introduction, 78 words. Let's just have a quick read. Welcome to the wonderful world of whiskey. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to expand your knowledge, this article is here to help. We'll be uncovering the secrets of enjoying whiskeys for newbies and introducing you to some great starter whiskeys. Plus, we'll show you how easy it is to find your favorite whiskeys in 3 simple steps. So grab a glass and join us as we explore the art of drinking whiskey with cheerfulness and enthusiasm. I think that is really nice. So I think if you want to regenerate this particular section, you can hit this button. And every time you want to regenerate a block, I think they call it a block, or this particular section, it will cost you 0.2 credits. So 1 credit for 1 block, and then 0.2 credits for these kind of little adjustments. So that's something you need to bear in mind. So let's look at the main content. So 250 words. Subtitle, Discovering the Wonderful World of Whiskey, Beginner's Guide. Are you curious of discovering? So I'm not going to read the entire article. You can have a skim. You can pause the video if you want. I've just had a look at some of these H2s, these subsections. I think they're really straight to the point. Like if I was a newbie that I want to get into whiskey, these are some really good information that I can use if I want to start, dipping my toes into drinking whiskeys, or how to taste whiskey, how to buy whiskey, etc. So if we want to choose subtitle pictures, what we can do is, so in these ones, let's see. I think if we go back to the top of the page, if we want to select photos, if I just type in something like drinking whiskey, and there are plenty of choices here. So maybe if I want to choose this one, I can choose this for my main picture. So the main page can be this one. And then I can continue searching for other keywords related to my H2s. Again, there are a lot of choices here for you to choose, which I really think it's good. I'm going to try some other keywords to see if I can get like a shelf of whiskey. Okay, this might be a good one. So I'll put this as the second subtitle. So I think you get the point. So put in the keywords on the top of the page, sets, gallery, pixabay, and then whenever you find an image, click choose me, and then put in at the different subtitle or H2s, however you want to call it. So if you scroll down now, you can see those images should be popping in. Let me just save it. Then just have a quick preview on the article. So they've got that image right. And then we've got this table of contents. And then let's scroll down. So images are here. They've also embedded the YouTube video as well. So that was the first H2, the first subtitle with the images right here. So that's good. So I think you get the point. So you just keep on adding these photos, replace it if you don't like it. I think all these images are quite nice. I've tried other like one-click block generator with images to come along. I think the other one I've tried before is Juice AI. The images are really off. I think I did do a exact same keyword to generate like blog articles for whiskeys, and I think those images were pretty off, or it's not too related. So definitely the one for question generator, they are really good on picking the right photos on the keywords that I've entered in. So yeah, kudos to them. So if we scroll down to the bottom of the page, you're going to see the section called keywords. So by just looking at the color difference, the ones in red are the words that you have inside your article, and the ones in purple are the ones that you are missing those keywords. I think this is something similar to like Nuon Writer or ScaleNut, or any like Frey server SEOs that optimizes blog articles. But this one is it's more simplified. So it's just telling you these are just the keywords that you should have inside your article, but it doesn't tell you how many you should have, or are there like too many of these keywords at the same time. So you're not like keyword stuffing inside the article to trick like the Google search engine or some of the other search engine. So what you can do is start maybe adding other keywords like bartenders. So I think that's how you generate this blog article. And if you got your WordPress site hooked up, you can actually just publish it to WordPress by clicking this. But then currently I don't have this connected. So if you connect it to your own WordPress, you can publish this and then you can put in a date as well. So that's handy. You can also download it. So let's see. If we download this, what kind of format are we getting? This is going to be in HTML. So that's really nice. This is the article that you can download offline. All right, let's go back to the content. And currently the status of my article, it says it's ready. So it's not published yet. And then what you can do is, if you want to mark as published, then that means this is already done. So that's good. You can, on the left-hand side, it tells you this is in English, the date of the article has been generated, how many words, and do you want to click on autosave? I think this is good, so I'll hit autosave. So that's how you create one single article. So if you got like one keyword, you want to generate like multiple articles. So for example, best AI text to video software. If I do come across like a few of them, I do want to generate. So maybe this one. And then let's see if I can find something with a very high position. AI text-to-speech video. I can choose this one as well. So let's say I've got these two. I can hit generate all articles. If I do that, at the same time, I'll put in 5 subtitles. I want table of content, include images, yes. Source of images from the free gallery Pixabay. So this is slightly tricky, whether you want these 2 articles to have like the exact keywords. If not, then I would suggest you to generate them one by one. In this case, I think it's better to generate one by one instead. I'm going to check it. I'll just hit generate article for this one. 5 subtitles. Table of content, yes, yes. And I'll choose text to video. This one might be a bit tricky. AI robot. And then this time, I might choose another tone just to give this another try. I'll choose enthusiastic. And then I can embed a video. Yes. And then again, hit that AI content generation. And then if you go to your article, you have 2 now. One is in processing. One is ready to go. So I do want to show you that I previously had 15 credits. And since I have now created 2 blocks, it has taken 2 credits for me. And then I've got 10, I believe I have 10 search quotas for the art ideas. And then I've searched 3 different keywords, so I'm at 30%. Because this is a free plan, Greg did give me some free credits to try this out, so I will evaluate if this is going to be something that I will use for my own website. So I'm going to stop this video. I think it's taking too long. So if you made it all the way to the end, please do leave a comment saying last. And let me know if you prefer long form content, if you want it to be a shorter videos, so I can adjust it to your preference. So I do hope you like this video and found this useful. Please do give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and look for my future videos. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.